Hey there, gardening friends! If you've ever dreamed of growing your own apples but don't have a big garden, a potted, red delicious apple tree is the perfect solution. Today, I'll share essential care tips to help your tree thrive and produce delicious fruit. First up, choosing the right pot is crucial. Your red delicious apple tree needs a large, well-draining pot, at least 24 inches in diameter with drainage holes. Use a high-quality, well-draining potting mix, preferably one designed for fruit trees. Adding organic compost will improve soil fertility, giving your tree the best start possible. Next, let's talk sunlight and temperature. Apple trees love the sun. Make sure your potted tree gets at least 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Place it in a sunny location like a south-facing balcony or patio. Red delicious apples also prefer cooler temperatures, so if you live in a hot climate, provide some afternoon shade. Now, on to watering and fertilizing. Consistent watering is key. Keep the soil moist but not soggy. Usually watering once or twice a week is enough, depending on the weather. During hot summer months, check moisture levels regularly. Fertilize your tree every 4-6 weeks during the growing season with a balanced, slow-release fertilizer or an organic option like compost tea. Pruning helps your tree stay healthy and productive. In late winter or early spring, remove any dead or overcrowded branches to improve air circulation. Pinching off extra blossoms can also help the tree focus on producing better quality apples. Pollination is essential for apple production. If you only have one tree, consider hand pollination. Using a soft brush, transfer pollen between flowers. Alternatively, place your tree near other apple varieties or attract bees with flowering plants. Finally, let's discuss overwintering and pest control. During winter, protect your potted apple tree by moving it to a sheltered spot or wrapping the container with burlap to prevent root damage. Watch out for pests like aphids and spider mites. Regularly inspect leaves and use organic insecticidal soap if needed. With the right care, your potted red delicious apple tree can reward you with beautiful blossoms in spring and delicious fruit in fall. Have you tried growing apples in containers? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips.